Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to change Discord banner. Firstly, go up to your Discord, but you need to go firstly on your browser to take off to your Discord site. Then go on the three dots and go for desktop site. Right after that, you need to take a look to open Discord by typing on the section, and you need to make sure that you have login into your account. Then you'll need to wait, and what you can do, firstly get up this side and go up and just scroll down and take for settings. Then scroll up and you need to find out the setting which says user profile, in which you're gonna get up through this side. Now as you can see, here it is, the profile color, and go for example default or custom. I don't know, you need to choose it. We'll go with this one, and then go for change or remove. We'll go with change it. And before we do that, firstly I'm gonna choose this side, and as you can see guys, we have changed the banner on Discord. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.